Hi everyone, I'm here to help you with number 21. So first of all, in part A, they want us to find the sum from the first term to the 8th term of this function, or of this sequence or series. So to me, A looks like an arithmetic series, but I would just double check that by finding the first 3 terms. So to find the first term, I'm going to plug in 1. And we'll get 14. Now if I, to find the second term, I'm plugging in 2, and I'll get 12.5, and then for the third term, I'll plug in 3, and I should get 11. So I can see that this is arithmetic, and that each time we're subtracting 1.5. You can always check that by doing U2 minus U1 or U3 minus U2. Okay, so they want us to find the sum of the first 8 terms, and it's an arithmetic sequence or series. It's an arithmetic series, so I'm going to use this formula. Sn equals n over 2, 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the sum of the first 8 terms is 8 over 2, and the first term is 14, plus 8 minus 1 is 7, times negative 1.5, okay? So 8 over 2 is 4, 2 times 14 is 28, 7 times negative 1.5 is negative 10.5, 28 minus 10.5 times 4 will get 70. So the sum of the 8 terms are 70, okay? In part B, they want us to find the sum of the first 15 terms, and this does look geometric, but again, I'm just going to double check. I'm going to find the first, second, and third term. So the first term is going to be 50. The second term will be 40. And the third term would be 32. And okay, here I would be subtracting 10, but I obviously did not subtract 10 if that were arithmetic. So I think it's geometric, and I'm going to see what 40 divided by 50 is, and that should be the same thing as 32 divided by 40, which is 0.8. So our first term is 50. Our common ratio is 0.8, and we want to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So I'm going to use the geometric series formula, and I'm going to say the sum of the 15 terms equals 50 times 1 minus 0.8 to the power of 15, all over 1 minus 0.8. And we should do a bunch of math, and we'll get 241, okay? And then for letter C, this is definitely an infinite geometric series. It wanted us to start, the first term is going to be the 7th term to infinity. Okay, so an infinite geometric sequence has the formula s to infinity equals u1 over 1 minus r. Okay, so we just need to figure out what u1 is, and u1 happens, u1 is technically u7, because they say from the 7th to infinity. So we're going to plug in 7, and, we can just leave it like that actually, or let's just leave it for like exact reasons, to the power of 6. And then our r value is going to be 2/5, okay, because it's like u1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So our r is 2/5. So s infinity equals 5 times 2/5 to the power of 6 over 1 minus 2/5. And if you do the math, you'll get 64 over 1,875, or 0.0341. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.